Greenlight is a prepaid card, an app for managing family finances from chores and allowance to spending and using money online or off. With the Greenlight app, kids and parents have companion app with two different experiences. Kids can save or invest, spend and give with parent approval on every transaction. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and signing in to Greenlight app. So let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store if you are an iOS user, or go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then in the search bar type Greenlight and search for it. So here's the app that you're looking for. To download the app, tap on the Get option right here. In place of Get option, there is Open option in my screen. This is because I've already downloaded the app. Once the app has been downloaded in your device too, tap on Open to go to the app. After that, you'll be able to see an option, Sign In. Tap on it. Now you need to enter your mobile number or username of your Greenlight account. You are not supposed to enter your email address, so make sure you enter your mobile number or username. Once you have done that, tap on Next and then follow the further instructions provided. Finally, you will be able to log into your Greenlight account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.